Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, man, we're going to talk about why I am continuing to buy AVAX. Yes, that's the Avalanche blockchain, the AVAX coin, and why I'm still buying it. A lot of people like, why are you really going so deep into that AVAX in your crypto portfolio? And it's a lot of reasons, but today I'm giving you three main reasons. We're going to talk about that. And also, we're going to talk about some of the prices, some of my potential predictions for AVAX, and much more. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you're really messing with the kid, turn on those notifications, man. We're going to continue to build this YouTube channel. We're going to talk about the cryptos that I personally invest in and the cryptos that I talk about that I find interesting. And if you guys have a crypto that you want me to just do some research on, just look into, let me know. But really, I just focus on the cryptos that I kind of already got a gist of, because when you set your focus on specific cryptos in the bear market and you build your bag up in 1 to 3 cryptos, you see better profits rather than trying to diversify across 10, 15 cryptos. And you could have just had that one project that went 100x, but you spread your money so thin amongst all of these different crypto projects and you didn't see the gains that you wanted to see. So I always tell people, if you got conviction in a specific crypto, just continue to dollar cost average on those down days. And just, if you really believe in a team and the community behind that crypto, then you're going to weather the storm and continue to DCA, and you're going to see more gains rather than trying to pick and find what's going to be the next 100x. You can just focus on the cryptos that have true utility and that you believe in for the long term. And no, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is just me personally talking about cryptos that I invest in. So if you want to consult with a financial advisor, that is what's best when investing in crypto, because this is a volatile market, man. This is one of those markets you can come in and either gain a lot of money or lose all of your money. So I always dollar cost average. I always consult with the financial advisor before going too deep into it. Now, enough of this spiel, man. Let's get into it. What are we talking about? AVAX. Let's talk about it, baby. So right now, I'm currently on coin market cap. We can see I'm looking at the Avalanche blockchain, and right now the rank is at 15. We see prices at $19.16, up, almost 1% on a day. We can see market cap is at $6.2 billion, almost up 1%. Fully diluted 13.7 billion, and the volume is at 201 million, down 15%. And if we scroll down, we can see like it is a green day. We almost looked at 1%, but this can be considered one of the days you maybe want to buy on. Now, me personally, I'm trying to get AVAX right now. Anything under $17 is where I'm looking at it. But me personally, I believe in the long run, we can hit that all-time highs easily, especially in a bull market. Now, if we zoom out from, 3 months, we can see you could have got in at $14 just last month, man. Got in at $14 and be up, at that $19 mark. And also in the beginning of the year, we actually hit $22. So if you would have got in at that low point, that $16 mark, you could have, took out some profits at that 22. But me personally, I don't really trade. I kind of try to hold my positions for at least a couple of months, especially in the crypto space, especially with the coins that are, top 50 and above, just because these are coins that some of them are speculations, but Avalanche has a nice team behind it doing some really good work, some very smart guys. So I really believe in them for the long run. So I'm going to hold this for at least a year or so, just, having that AVAX bag. And I do, like I said, believe it can hit all-time highs again easily. And let's just look at what's all on the AVAX blockchain right now. So we can see right now it's $164 million total value locked on the blockchain. So almost at that $1 billion mark. We know in 2020 it got all the way up to $12 billion locked. And it's a lot of good protocols on AVAX right now, but we can see AVAX is dominating at 35%. Now, once we go to see all the chains, we see AVAX is in the top 10 as far as total value lock, right at number 7. and it has 298 protocols with 40,000 active users daily. So a lot of people are coming to AVAX, and it's a lot of bullish things that's on AVAX as well. And one catalyst and one reason that I continue to buy AVAX is because a lot of people are feeding into that narrative with the btc.b, and that's pretty much Bitcoin on the AVAX blockchain. You can bridge it over to the AVAX blockchain and actually get some yield on your Bitcoin. So we can see in 2023, BTC holders on AVAX rocketed from 14,000 to over 53,000. Here's why BTC will continue exploding: the three best yield opportunities on your btc.b. So I'm not gonna go over each of the single opportunities, but you can put your Bitcoin on the AVAX blockchain and get some yield from it. I know you're like, well, Tro, what does that have to do with AVAX? Well, we know on the chain you got to use AVAX for gas, and the more people you put their Bitcoin on the AVAX blockchain, the more gas fees, and we know AVAX is burning a lot of coins just through the gas fees, man. So that's very, very bullish in my personal opinion. Just watching it become, it's not deflationary just yet because all the coins haven't been emitted already, but it's still good to see, man. A lot of Bitcoin is on the AVAX blockchain, and it's just giving us more opportunities to make money. Now, this is a thread by aman.avax. We can see AVAX is lagging 50% behind other alts in terms of market cap recovery. Could this mean that a massive rally is in the making for our beloved red coin? Let's go over a few bullish catalysts. So number one, horizontal scaling. So subnets are the secret weapon behind AVAX's ability to scale to infinity. More than 20 mainnet subnets and over 450 on the Fuji testnet already use this tech. So me personally, I know one subnet, that's DFK chain, and it's already just been going crazy, pumping out crazy transactions and showing that this is one of the best blockchains to build on as far as the AVAX blockchain if you want to go the subnet way, because it's super fast. Transaction costs are low, and you even can choose whatever project is making the subnet. They can use their own coin for the gas fees. Like on DFK chain, we use Jewel for gas fees. So we got institutional subnets. With the launch of Evergreen, enterprise users can now tap into the incredible power of subnets while keeping things private and compliant. So institutions are also getting to subnets, and that's going to be major in the future. I'm telling you, everything is going to be held on the blockchain, and I believe these companies that are getting on these subnets first will be way ahead of the curve. Now, it's good to see AVAX doing this early. We truly don't know what blockchain will completely take over. We know ETH is right now, but I believe in this world, it's going to be a couple of blockchains that people decide to use. I think it's just based on your personal preference. I don't necessarily believe it's going to just be one blockchain, because right now a lot of people are already spread it across multiple chains. So I think it's going to be a multiple chain world, not just one blockchain that's running everything. Now, it will be more liquidity on different blockchains, of course, but I think it's like almost comparing it to like different cities. If you live, in the US or something, like some cities might be cheaper, some might be higher. Like New York is higher rent. I like to compare like Ethereum to New York or something. And we go to another, somewhere cheaper where we can get low gas fees and handle a lot of transactions. We go to somewhere cheaper, maybe like a Memphis. Shout out to Memphis because that's where I'm from. But just wanted to use that as an example. We maybe go to Memphis and use something that really fits our budget. So that's how I kind of look at these different blockchains. So DeFi revolution. Is no secret that AVAX native projects have accomplished the unthinkable. In the past quarter, btc.b has increased its dominance and drastically. Trader Joe has deployed an incredible efficient AMM, and the Cavalry unrevealed its revolutionary AMM model. So AVAX is picking up fire. AVAX daily active users has increased by over 80% in the past few days and shows no signs of slowing down with the Cortina, I said Quarantina, or the Cortina network upgrade in the coming weeks. Network activity is primed to increase, burning AVAX in fees. So very, very bullish on the AVAX blockchain, man. Like I said, It's a lot of things that's going into it, but those are just some of the few examples that I saw that are super, super bullish for AVAX. And that's why I'm going to continue the dollar cost average into my portfolio and just watch it stack, man, because I believe this blockchain is going to be around for years to come. And we truly don't know what the crypto space holds. But like I said, if you got a good community, good developers, great tokenomics, I believe your chances of success will raise, and AVAX has all three of those. So that's my video for today. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.